Today I stopped at an estate sale. It was the last day and the last hour of the sale, which is when I really like to go because that's when you find cool stuff that nobody else wants at discount prices. I bought all the stuff you see here for 30 bucks. I'm not sure exactly what's even in here, so I thought it'd be a lot of fun to go through this stuff on camera to see if I found some really cool treasures or just a pile of scrap metal. Welcome to Allie Picked. This first item is interesting. I'm not sure what it is. It's made of copper. It has holes on both ends. These thin rods were stored inside. If you think you know what this might be, well, throw it in the comment section. Looks like a lamp plate, a thickness caliper often used for lathes, a couple old doorknobs, and a box of screws, which I'm going to need to sort and organize. This is a die which cuts threads on a large diameter pipe. A doorbell. There are lots of knobs and handles mixed in here. I've never seen white shellac like this before. From what I know about shellac, it does have a shelf life. However, if this stuff is still good, the value of something like this is probably around 75 bucks. This is about $10 to $15 worth of denatured alcohol. I also forgot to mention, I've got these 3 bags also. Let's see what's in them. The bags and all the other parts so far include a mix of useful items, garbage, and scrap metal. So far, nothing of any serious value. You might just think I have a pile of junk, but I call it inventory. Now those true words inspired me to start up my F1 laser engraver and make a new sign. I think that one belongs on a t-shirt. These spike-looking nail things are round-head split-drive anchors for concrete. You drill a hole and pound them in. Once they're in, they are very difficult, if not impossible, to remove. The value of this box alone is about 30 bucks. Now I'll start going through the bucket of parts here. There are nails, brackets, hinges, some tools, scrap metal. This is a shoe repair stand, missing the shoe part. That's a big piece of lead right there. This piece of solid steel is interesting. I'm not sure what it was used for. As you can see, there are lots of parts here that can be useful once they're cleaned up, sorted, and stored properly. Tools, hooks, handles, plumbing solder. If you know what you have and where you put them, they are valuable. If not, then they're just a pile of junk. So, did I get $30 worth of useful items? I think so. Did I also get a pile of scrap metal? Most definitely. But the question on all your minds, I'm sure, is, did I get a tetanus shot? Now I've got to clean, organize, and put all this stuff away. A lot of which can be used later when I make cool stuff out of junk. I'm Tom. This is Allie Picked, and if you're not doing anything later, stop by. I can use a hand. Thanks for watching.